Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the Rndr token. We're back again doing almost daily updates, and in this video I'll tell you that I was wrong yesterday. Yesterday, after getting that bullish breakout above 2.38 and 2.35, I thought that was good enough, that was enough bullish confirmation to actually get up to our next levels around 2.55 and 2.75. But we did not. We actually got a bearish breakout, and now it looks more likely that we'll actually fall down further. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Now, before we do that, and I'll also explain why I was wrong, or at least why I think I was wrong. But before we do that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, and I'll promise you they're better than my call yesterday on Rndr, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join that group. And you can also find out more about trading results, everything you need. But for now, let's get right into Rndr. So if you take a look at Rndr right now, you can see that the volume has dropped down a bit. So that could have already been an indication of a loss of momentum at least. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to fall. But in this case, it might, because what you see is that yesterday we actually were able to get some sort of a bullish breakout. And the last couple of times when we got that bullish breakout, we at least got up to 2.55, always. So now, I think the main problem was that there just was no bullish momentum coming in from the markets. We had a little bit of a spike at 2 o'clock, so you can also see that right here. Then Rndr also had a bit of a spike, but that wasn't enough. I mean, Bitcoin for the rest of the time, as you can see, gave no momentum to any crypto. There were some cryptos that rallied, but Rndr was not one of them, and Rndr was already pretty exhausted as well. So right now, the big thing is, and the big problem is that we got a bearish breakout through that same 2.35, which is actually a very strong level. So you can see that we're already respecting that. I think we're dropping down. I think we're dropping down at least to this level right here at around 2.23 and 2.2. It's a pretty strong level. You got the 0.382 fib there. It's a retest of the 0.618 fib. So it's pretty strong. So that's really going to determine whether we can still rally or not. Because technically this is a strong level, we should get a strong touch off of there. From there, we should at least be able to get back up to 2.35 and at least hold it. And then when we get some more volume into the markets and we're still above 2.2 in this case, I think we can still have that bullish breakout and get up to at least 2.55. So we're not in trouble yet. The thing I'm afraid of though is that we're not going to get a lot of support from this level. Because a lot of the support which this level is based on trending indicators, right? So the 0.618 fib, this EMA is coming there, and then the 382 fib. And then it's also a normal support level, but that's not a trending indicator, that's just a normal market indicator. So usually when the volume drops down, like in the weekend, those trending indicators work less well. So if, for example, we get down there and we just find a little bit of support, like up to 2.25 or 2.27, then there's a big chance we'll just drop down lower towards this level around 2.1 and 2.05. And then from there, I do think we'll be able to hold that. But from there, rallying again would need quite a lot of momentum from the markets. And it would just make the whole situation around Rndr a lot more unstable and unpredictable. So I will be back with another update tomorrow on Rndr. But for now, this is my take on it. So thank you for watching. Take care today. Enjoy your weekend and bye.